Today feature are MINI GT October arrivals. Quite an assortment here. We have the pair of LBWK BMW M4, a Corvette Stingray, and also HKS R32 Skyline. And now let's take a closer look at the Corvette Stingray in torch red. Standard license info, and this casting is a left-hand drive. Very nice and striking paint job. This Corvette Stingray is a new tooling for MINI GT. I'm glad that MINI GT branched out to the Corvette range. Realistic wheel sets that roast extremely well. The plastic rear and headlights are on point. Nice details for the interior at the mid-price range. And overall a very nice addition to the MINI GT range. Next, the Skyline R32 Group A HKS 1993 Japan touring car. This casting is in right-hand drive. Wow, the livery is outstanding. It's very nice. Typical HKS livery that wrap around all the casting. MINI GT also has a similar HKS livery, and that's the Honda Civic Type R. Realistic wheel sets that roast extremely well, and they are looking good on the Skyline. Plastic insert headlights together with the advanced marking. I always like black body paint on the high gloss finish casting. Liveries are on point and accurately applied. Next, the LBWK BMW M4 with M stripe. This M4 is in right-hand drive. Nice details and nice body kit on the M4. Really like the front on the signature kidney grille. The M stripe is very striking against the clean white body paint. Highlight is definitely the LBWK body kit on the M4. It looks awesome on the casting. Dynamic 5-spokes wheel set that comes in all black. Detailed interior and impressive presentation together with the LBWK body kit. Even the rear is detailed for the plastic insert rear lights and the exhaust. Lastly, another variation of the LBWK M4, this time in red with copper wheels. Wow, I love this. Paint job is very finished with high gloss. Love the carbon roof. I think it gives this M4 a lot of attitude together with the body kit from LBWK. Very nice wheel sets that's similar to the M4 in white, but this time with copper wheels. And on the ducktails, you can see the LB Performance logo type together with the Liberty Walk logo on the car plate. Presentation is on point. Very impressive. Definitely one of my most favorite among this lot. And I like all the exciting casting that's released by MINI GT every month. Stay tuned for more MINI GT unboxing, and remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone. Bye.